For railroads, proactively monitoring even a small number of sites, such as crossings, bridges, and passenger stations, can be daunting. Understanding this challenge firsthand, Herzog is proud to introduce RailSentry, an advanced solution for monitoring railroads' critical assets. RailSentry is an advanced, integrated solution purposefully designed to mitigate collisions between a train and vehicles, people, or other objects that pose a potential hazard on the railroad right-of-way. RailSentry provides instant alerts to the right people at the right time, enabling swift action to prevent accidents and improve railroad safety. RailSentry is the only solution that integrates with onboard positive train control systems, capable of providing real-time warnings to the locomotive engineer. Through its use of a variety of advanced sensors, RailSentry detects people or objects that enter monitored areas such as crossings, bridges, tunnels, or stations. Let's take a closer look at the technology that makes it all possible. RailSentry uses a combination of advanced sensors to identify, classify, and track objects on and around railroad infrastructure. RailSentry is programmed to think like a railroader. Herzog's business logic has been developed and refined through years of experience in the industry and has been proven to accurately analyze and model complex situations in various rail environments. Each of these zones along the right-of-way means something different to RailSentry. In this case, the system will recognize that a vehicle that was once moving is now stopped on the track. Pertinent objects are cataloged in RailSentry's object library and can include things like people, vehicles, or bicycles. When undesirable objects or conditions are detected, RailSentry generates the appropriate alert status as defined by the system. Because RailSentry integrates with PTC and onboard units, locomotive engineers receive real-time warnings to slow down or stop. RailSentry's fundamental goal is to identify the hazard at the appropriate time. Herzog's 24/7 support center analyzes and validates alerts from RailSentry to ensure system integrity and support in response efforts. Herzog's RailSentry, proactively monitoring railroads to ensure safety and peace of mind. Safety matters. Seconds count.